What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing to you how you can delete your Wealthsimple account. Now the first step is to log in your account, right? Then select the product that you have opened. Now from the profile icon, wherever you see the name or in the mobile app, and the mobile app, just look for your name or the little menu icon on this section of the screen, right? Then select settings. Then from settings, you're going to select delete profile. Then select delete profile. Please keep in mind that you have to take out all the cash out of your account or do a withdrawal before you attempting delete. So as you can see, my account has been deleted successfully. I have until June 25th, 2030 to access financial statements or restore your profile to open a new account. So select got it, and that's how you delete your Wealthsimple account. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.